Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to fix PUBG Mobile slow opening in game loop. If you're experiencing slow opening times in PUBG Mobile on game loop, here's what you're going to do. Right-click on the game loop icon on your desktop or in the startup menu. From the context menu, select Open File Location. This will take you to the directory where game loop is installed. Once in the game loop installation folder, find the folder named TX Game Assistant. Inside the TX Game Assistant folder, look for the UI folder. Within the UI folder, locate and click on the Resource folder. Once you're in the Resource folder, select all the files present and delete them. You can do this by pressing Ctrl A to select all and then pressing delete. And that's how to fix PUBG Mobile slow opening in game loop. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.